of this fitness app if we're gonna start exercising today. So I'll be showing you how to use it so you can get the best results when using this fitness app. Stay tuned. It's pretty much your own screen. So all I have to do is just tap on let's go option here. And you may need to select some option based on what you want to achieve. So if you want to lose weight, if you want to stay fit, whatever the case is, build some muscles based on what you want. So I'm going to stop on the lose weight option, counting calories, workout plans, and tap on that option there. Let's say I'm a male, I'm age 24, and I will adjust my body at the moment. And let's say this one, we're athletic and your dream body can either be any one of these, as you can see there, or display either one. So just tap on that there, height, you just see, and you set the option based on your information. So do make sure you enter the right information. Don't enter the right information, you're not going to get good results. So that's pretty much it for that there. And I'm just stop on that there. I'm just entering something random. Don't watch me, guys. So once I've finished setting up all of these features here, do make sure you enter correct information, guys, because if you don't enter correct information, you're not going to get the best results. So do make sure you enter correct information. Don't follow me and enter a bunch of crap that is seen. I'm just entering this information to show you what needs to be done once you've entered all of this information. After you've entered all of this information, it will start analyzing and plan out what needs to be done for you to get the best results. So do make sure you enter the best information, guys. So it may take a while. So as I can see here, this is a plan for me to get, well, that's my body goal and so forth. So get my plan. Once you tap on that option, you'll be greeted with your subscription page. You don't have to accept the subscription right away, but you can get a 3 days free trial of their subscription. Well, I'm just going to tap on X there, and here you get a workout. Just tap on skip if you don't want to start right away. So this is pretty much the home screen of the application. You're going to see their workout plans and everything. So do make sure at the beginning to enter the correct information so you can get the best results. So it pretty much show you if you have worked out yes today, or it can be the next day, and also shows you some different workout which you can do. And if I scroll across, these are all our workouts along with video showing how the workouts can be done. We'll track your calories, do make sure you like your meals, and also hydrate yourself. And as you can see here, it tracks everything for you. So once you have, let's say, eat something, you enter information there so it can track everything for you. So you also have information down here which you can ask the nutritionist information as well, pretty much like in AI. So down here you may see workouts. You can see all the workouts as it relates to body workouts, knee workouts, pretty much everything that you can see. Fast, fat burn workout, muscle gain workout, everything. It all depends upon what you want, guys. Fasting, you can pretty much enable the fasting option. It pretty much tells you when to eat, what to do during these times, and so forth. So nothing much for that. And also over here, we'll show you the progress and how you're progressing through the month and also through the days. So a very good application, as you can see here. As will also give you information on your hydration, your meal calories, and your calories that you have burned, everything. So to get the best result with this application, do make sure you enter the right information, guys, so they can help you. And if you have any question, you can always ask your nutritionist. Just tap on the ask option here, and you can go in the AI coach option and ask the nutritionist any questions. So very good application as it relates to fitness and health, and I do recommend you guys to try it out. So with all that said, guys, make sure you subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and see you guys in the next tutorial.